Hi there, SharePoint enthusiasts! This video is for beginners looking to learn more about SharePoint. I'm going to show you how to use SharePoint Lists, a very powerful tool to help you track and manage structured data right within your SharePoint site. Think of them as smart, shareable spreadsheets that live in the cloud. SharePoint Lists allow you to track any type of structured information, create custom columns for your specific needs, share and collaborate with your team in real time, and export data to Excel or browse it from Power BI. You can even access your data from anywhere. Lists provide great collaboration, version tracking, and integration with other Microsoft 365 tools. To create a list, navigate to your SharePoint site, click New and then List. Now you have a bunch of options. You can start from a blank list, or use a pre-built templates like Issue Tracker, Employee Onboarding, or Event Itinerary. You can also import data from a spreadsheet or copy an existing list. Name your list and show it in the site navigation for easy access. Columns define what information you'll track, and SharePoint offers various column types: single line of text for names, titles, and short descriptions, multiple text for detailed notes or comments, choice for creating drop-down menus with predefined options, numbers for quantities and amounts, date and time for tracking deadlines, events, or milestones, person for assigning items to team members, yes or no for simple toggles, and even an image for adding visual elements. For example, for a contact list, you might add the person's full name as the text, their department as a choice, their hire date, their full-time status as yes or no column, and their profile photo as an image. You can add items to your list in two main ways: through a form by clicking Add New Item, or using the grid view, which resembles data entry in Excel. You can also edit lists using Microsoft Access. Make sure to check my other video on this topic. In a list view, you can sort and filter by metadata, edit items in bulk, and export to Excel or CSV. If you want to, you can create custom views for different scenarios. To create a list view, click Add View, then choose your view type: List for a standard table-like format, Gallery for a nice-looking rectangular cards with images, Calendar to view the data by date, and Board to see your data in a Kanban board. Now let's say you want to customize your view. You just click Add Column, Show or Hide Columns, and then select which columns to show. Then set their order by dragging them around. If you want to add a filter, click on a column, then Filter By. You can also group data by category by clicking Group By option. And finally, don't forget to save your view. If you want a more immersive experience, switch to the full screen. The best part? When your teammates jump in, you'll see their profile pictures appear at the top. If Lana from marketing is updating the budget column while you're adding project dates, you'll both see each other working in real time. And if you need to discuss something, just add a comment to any item and mention your colleagues using the @ symbol. Your colleagues get notified and the whole conversation stays within a SharePoint list. SharePoint lists are super practical for contact directories, event calendars, issue tracking, inventory management, request forms, and project tasks. They are important for teams to track and share information. Start with a simple basic list, then add columns and create views that make sense for your team. SharePoint lists are so flexible that they can adapt to any tracking needs.